Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. 90% of people make mistake while downloading Windows 11 from the wrong website, and that's how they end up installing fake Windows or bundled malware on their PC. In this video, I'll show you the official and 100% safe way to download Windows 11 latest version. No fake sites, no risk, directly from the Microsoft website. And if you want more safe software tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the official Microsoft website, open your browser and search for Windows 11 download. Or go directly to Microsoft.com. I've also added the link in the description. Always download Windows 11 from the official Microsoft website to keep your PC safe. Step 2. Choose download options. Once the website opens, you'll see 3 options. So scroll down and find Select Download and select Windows 11 ISO. Click Confirm. Select the product language. I will select English International and then click Confirm. You will Windows 11 English International. Step 3. Start the download. Now click on 64-bit download. The setup file will start downloading automatically, so for best result of download make sure to have a stable connection. Once the download is complete, you'll find the ISO setup file in your downloads folder. That's it.